Hello everyone, this is Meenakshi here, your consulting psychologist. My today's topic of discussion is making an impact, being positive. Now, whenever we are faced with any challenging situation, or simply speaking, even our everyday routine, what matters the most is the way we think about it, our attitude and approach towards it. And why is positivity so very important? Because positivity makes things possible. Yes, you got that correct. Positive thinking helps us with our daily life as well because it enables us to overcome challenges. How can we do that? Because once we start thinking positive, we start looking at the various possibilities which we otherwise won't when we are too much negative, too much stressed, and too much worried. Making a person do well, making a person remain energetic throughout any challenging time is made possible only by thinking positive. With positive thinking, a person can get that much needed mental clarity to find solutions to any challenges, to any problems. Getting better at any work you do is made possible by positive thinking. And last and the most important thing is a person who is optimistic, a person who is positive, carries around himself or herself the vibes of happiness, the vibes of optimism in his surroundings. So yes, now let's see what is positivity all about. Positivity is nothing but looking at the good in things, looking at always the bad things and then defending it by saying that I'm trying to be realistic, I'm trying to be practical is not the way which is going to give us any solution most of the times. Positivity is being able to observe, being able to understand, and then work patiently towards improving any scenario or any situation. It is the capability to avoid excessive worrying. It is the capability to avoid looking at the bad in things. Now let's see how do we make this shift in our thought processes, our attitude and approach from negativity to positivity. There are some very simple yet very effective techniques which can help you with this. First and the foremost important is starting our each day on a positive note. Now how you can do that? Try and figure out at least 5 minutes, possibly in the beginning of your day. Take any notepad or any paper simply and note down any 3 good things about you yourself, okay, about your day, about your life, about the people around you, any 3 good things about you, your life and your situations. Number 1. Number 2 is whenever you are faced with any so-called problematic or any so-called challenging situation, any so-called tough situation, just try and close your eyes for a minute or just try and visualize the best possible outcome of that situation. Why visualizing the best outcome is important? Because the known secret is our thoughts create our reality. We tend to manifest what we think about. What we keep on pondering on, we see that happening. So yes, we have to convince ourselves that come what may, the outcome will definitely be positive. And the last but yet very important thing is the attitude of gratitude. As you find time throughout your packed schedule, with a notepad and pen, write down this statement, I am grateful for, or I am thankful for, and just list down any 5 things about your that particular day, about your life in general, about anything related to you and your life that you are thankful or grateful about. You may ask the question that how come every single day I find out some new things to be thankful about, to be grateful about, or even the first technique which I shared with you, writing down the positive things. It doesn't really matter that you write the same positive, the same repeat things which you are grateful about. What is important is you are imprinting that on your subconscious mind. You are imprinting that on your thought processes. So yes, with these simple and yet very, very powerful techniques, you definitely will see a shift in your way of thinking and the way you express yourself. That is all from my side for today. Stay safe, stay connected. Thank you all.